ఈ టీము కెప్టెన్ ఆడండి.
You play you save the spirit of the game. Don't misuse this. Should not be take place any advanced incidents. Okay, all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for our staff members. Physical match, we have to play only friendly matches. Okay, don't take it serious. Play seriously, but not take it serious.
అందరూ కంగ్రాచులేషన్ చెప్పమన్నా.
All the best, all of you. Our main seven getting set.